Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a triple bar graph in Google Sheets step by step. First of all, open your Google spreadsheet, then select data, insert tab, sort, set up sort type, find bar chart or column chart. See this bar chart, stack bar chart. Example, use bar chart, then automatically added triple series. Then customize chart and axis title series, edit series, line color, opacity, error bars, data labels, value, non position, auto, legend, grid line and ticks. Add series. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.